If I can eat this entire watermelon right now, you owe me a kiss. Sorry, I don't make the rules. No, but for real, the last time I had a watermelon, I was 8 years old, and I ate it with chocolate fondue, and I barfed everywhere. It was disgusting. So ever since that day, I vowed to never touch a watermelon again. But here we are. It's been 14 years, and I'm ready to give her a second chance. I don't even know how to cut this thing. I'm thinking of that game right now as a kid, watermelon. What was that game? Ninja something? Oh my gosh. I didn't know I knew how to cut a watermelon. This is crazy. Here we go. I like her. I like her a lot. Yay! Now the real question is, how much of this can I eat? 1/4 down, 3 more quarters to go. I can't stop. I literally can't stop. I think I finally understand the song Watermelon Sugar High. Holy fuck.
Watermelon sugar high, watermelon sugar high.
I think watermelon just became my favorite fruit. Hey, do I have anything on my face? No? Didn't think so. I have finished half of the watermelon. I'm gonna eat the other half like this. I hope it's okay to eat the seeds. Look at the liquid in there. I'm almost done. Okay, where's my kiss?